Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1978 F100 two-wheel drive truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 351 Windsor. We have the roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filters installed, all the fittings, oil pressure extensions installed for easy hookup. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Proper oil pan for the 78 F100 front sump oil pan. The Ford Racing valve covers with the Ridge style air cleaner. The MSD ignition coils on there, distributor set in place. We have the carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. The entire engine will be completely dialed in. Timing will be set, carburetor adjusted. You'll see a video of your engine running again in the stand. Water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, manifold vacuum readings, everything completely, again, dialed in, fully tested. Customer's running a top loader transmission, so we have the QuickTime bell housing on there, proper alignment ring on there, the McLeod clutch on there, all set in place. Even supply the transmission to bell housing bolts are on there, high torque mini starter, all set. PCV ventilation line, Russell, heavy duty. All the chrome fuel lines up to the carburetor. Manifold vacuum T is in there for easy vacuum hookups. We have this real nice serpentine pulley kit on there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. 140 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup. Chrome dipstick and tube. Thermostat housings on there. The Ford Racing thermostat housing. Thermostats installed. High flow aluminum water pump, power steering pumps on there, all the alignment and belt tensions all set. So there you have it again, 351 Windsor 400 horsepower turnkey package, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.